In this video, I'm going to show you how to make free money on your STAKECUT account. This video I'm going to show you, I want to pay close attention. It is practically new. This is the first time I'm going to see any video about this on STAKECUT, and I'm probably the first person that is making a video about this in the entire world right now. But if you watch this video carefully to the end, you will learn how to use your brand new STAKECUT account and make a lot of money literally for free. You don't need to build a funnel. You don't need to do any other work. This is basically for those who feel like, I don't want to do any extra work. I just don't want to spend time driving sales, driving leads, converting them, doing webinars. Let's say you're a lazy person, in quotes. But even if you're not lazy, but you just want to make this money without doing a lot of stuff, then you want to watch this video carefully to the end. And this is amazing because STAKECUT launched this feature especially for people who don't want to work a lot and allow STAKECUT to make the money for them. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a new program that was launched inside STAKECUT. Remember, you're not going to promote any course. You're not going to build any funnel. You're not going to run any ad primarily. You're just going to do one simple task, and STAKECUT handles the rest of it for you. And this is possible, and I'm going to show you how to do that with a brand new account. On this video, you can say brand new account. Of course, I'll probably show you. Let me quickly show you one of my accounts on STAKECUT. Right. If you look closely, you see that this account already have done over $1,000 using this exact strategy. So what I'm showing you is not fallacy. You can see my name, Joshua. It has already done over $1,000 using the same strategy. So I want to show you step by step from scratch. I want you to pay close attention, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know and how to do this step by step. Don't miss any step, and I'll walk you through. Now, watch on this brand new STAKECUT account. There is basically 00 everywhere. The first thing you have to do is to come to your sidebar. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You will see right here on your left hand side this tab called Squadpay. You click on it. This is a brand new account. Of course, you know that once you log in, you have to go to your settings and fix in your account number. This works for both people in Nigeria, Cameroon, Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, South Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe. It works for these people, and even Cote Ivory Coast, Cameroon, and the rest of other African countries. So you can actually just do this. You click on Squadpay, right? This Squadpay is where the money is. Is where the money is. You really need to watch this. Now, when you click on Squadpay, you see that your total referral is 0, total income 0, next payout 0, everything is 0. But there is a magic one here. I'm going to zoom in to show you that. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Watch this. On this screen, you will see here that says this guy here is your affiliate link. Is your STAKECUT affiliate link to Squadpay. What does Squadpay do and how does it work? So this is how Squadpay works. Squadpay works in a way that when you copy this link and give it to anybody to say, oh, STAKECUT is free, sign up on STAKECUT, and they sign up on STAKECUT. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to copy this link. You've copied it. You can save it anywhere, keep it anywhere. You can always log in here to track it, right? Once I copy, let me show you what happens. And I come to a new tab and use that exact link to create a free account on STAKECUT. Of course, STAKECUT is completely free. Now, this person you are giving this link will just go to STAKECUT to sign up because he's going to make money promoting products on STAKECUT. If you go to Marketplace, you can promote products. But STAKECUT would help you plug them into a funnel that will make them pay and spend money, and then you make money out of it. I will explain. So when someone joins STAKECUT, they have two questions. One, they're always going to ask, how do I get started with making money on STAKECUT? Right? So STAKECUT is going to be like, okay, you're new. Let's help you make money. Let's show you how to make money. Let's walk you through. And then they're going to get STAKECUT $50 program, and then you get 50% commission. That's the first payment you get. The second payment you're going to make is when they come in. If you notice, this account is on free plan and they upgrade their account. Let's say I upgrade my account to a pro account. Let's let it load up. Anytime I do this upgrade, if I click on subscribe, it's going to redirect me to make a payment. And I subscribe for a plan, the pro plan on STAKECUT. You also get 50% commission for the upgrade they make. So anytime they make an upgrade, you always get 50% commission for their upgrade. Now you make money in two places at the same time. Let me walk you through. So the first one you're going to make is when you send them this link. Let me show you how it looks like. Give me a minute. Let me show you how it looks like. Immediately they sign up on STAKECUT for the very first time, they are going to see this video. Your practical guide to earning 1 million naira on STAKECUT. They're going to see this video, right? And then they watch this video. The first step is claim the STAKECUT program. And this video is a 45-minute short video that explains what STAKECUT is and how they can make money from it. And if they click on take program and then get the $50 program, you're also going to make 50% commission of this program. So you don't need to build any funnel. You just need to tell people, go and sign up on STAKECUT. Go and sign up on STAKECUT using that link you copied. You remember that link you copied. And after they take the $50 program, then they can now activate their Sales Pro account, which is the step 2. And then they can now log into their account. When they complete this step, you would make money 2 times. First, from them taking the program, the $50 program. Second, from them upgrading the account. And you don't need to sell them anything. STAKECUT will sell them directly from their dashboard. Directly. All right. So here is it. How would you get started? Click on your Squadpay. Log into your STAKECUT. It's free of charge. Click on your Squadpay and then copy this link. Right, and get started. I'm going to send you a special link you're going to use to sign up on STAKECUT under this video. So go to the description of this video or the caption of this video, click on that link, sign up on STAKECUT, and then get started. When you get started, anybody you send your own link, you also make money. From each person, you're going to make money 2 times. That sign up on STAKECUT and then follow through this flow. So you don't need to worry about building funnels. Again, you can still be promoting other products and still be making money like this from STAKECUT. So see that you are still promoting product. If you go to marketplace and pick a product, and then you still have your affiliates, your Squadpay link sent out to people, and then they'll be making money for you while you're also selling products for yourself. So this is a way you can make a lot of money. Let me show you something very powerful. Look at this account. This account, I've already started modeling this, and I've already done total income of $15. Right, total of income of $50, 3 sales, and the next payout is $15. Oops, I mean next payout is $15. So this guy already have referred 3 people who have successfully upgraded their account on the platform. Can you imagine that? So what are you waiting for? This is the opportunity to make a lot of money for yourself using this free system. Join my Telegram community under the description of this video. You get to learn more because I share how to make more money on the internet in my Telegram community. The link is on the description of this video. And of course, the link to sign up on STAKECUT is also on the description of this video. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones because it's about to rain money, 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 money. Bye and have a wonderful day.